Hello, students and parents. Hope all are good and safe at home and enjoying lockdown days. Recently, we have conducted the event Readathon. It was both fun and educational activity, and the reasons behind this activity to develop language skills of a student and love for books. There are many little ways to enlarge your world. Love of books is best of all. In pre-section, parents read a story aloud to children and children benefit from hearing language and stories. All students and parents performed really well and we amazed and we are really proud of you all Jagma kids and parents and I appreciate your efforts. Today, I am going to share some reading techniques. Hope it will helpful while reading. The first one is read the book to yourself first. When you are reading a book for the first time, you should read it first. Then you will get a feel for the rhythm and tempo. And if you are worried about pronunciation, then reading a book to yourself, it is very important. Generally, we use moral stories for younger children. These stories serve as a useful platform to educate listeners and especially younger children, because the reason behind the moral stories, like child's soul is so clear and pure, and the lessons imparted by the stories stays with them for the rest of the life. Stories encourages creative writing, creative thinking and problem solving, and you can add your own experiences into that story to make it in more understandable format. Second, picture book. If you are reading a story for 4 or 5 year child, then use picture book, because picture books are multi-sensory. They they stimulates their imagination. Children see the illustrations and smell, touch the pages. Expert says बच्चों को अगर किसी सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता है, so put some drops of essence on that book. बच्चा at least smell से book खोलेगा. So when you are reading a book, hold that so that children can see the pictures and they can relate with that story. Third one is choose books that you will enjoy reading aloud. This is very basic and important thing. अभी लॉकडाउन पीरियड है, सभी जो बुजुर्ग हैं लगभग घर में है, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ हैविंग एक्सटेंडेड और जॉइंट फैमिली. तो अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करो, बिकॉज एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अचीवमेंट्स. जो कल नहीं था वो आज है. इट इज़ एन अचीवमेंट. हाउ वी हैव अचीव दैट, यू कैन शेयर दैट एक्सपीरियंसेस, दैट मोटिवेशनल थिंग्स विथ योर चिल्ड्रन. बच्चों को बुलाओ और ये सुनाओ. So, and again you can use moral stories also, because it will help adults also to remind them. And I have chosen some story books for my 5-year-old child. Here are some books that I'll show you. Learns to be safe. In this current scenario, everyone is knowing how to be safe. What are the precautions? But again, good touch, bad touch. What precautions or safety while going to school, going to garden or outside, anywhere. Safety from dangerous things, sharp things, safety from electrical instruments, etc. Second is learns to love plants. Yes, we have beautified our balcony by planting some plants, putting pots with water for birds, and we are enjoying this green space. So, love towards the plants, it is very important to teach our children. And this is about that book. Learns to be responsible. Yes, just I said we have planted some plants. So, it is responsibility of my child to water them, to remove dead or damaged parts like leaves, flowers, to keep clean, and other in-house activities. These are some responsibilities that हमने बच्चों को बतानी चाहिए कि this is your work, that you have to do that, and this is about learns to be responsible. लर्न्स टू बी रिस्पेक्टफुल। यस, जैसे मैंने बताया बड़े घर पे है, सो रिस्पेक्ट उनको देना चाहिए, ये हमने उनको सिखाना चाहिए। लाइक वी शुड टीच देम हाउ टू गिव रिस्पेक्ट बाय बीइंग पोलाइट, ask for advice, eat together, discuss family heritage, history, and traditions. And it is possible because of this lockdown, because we are having time, और हम ये कर सकते हैं. Just like that, learns to cooperate, learns sibling love, very important, learns obedience, learns to be friendly, learns to be honest, like that. So this is very important and basic things, basic moral things that we can teach our children. और बच्चों को ऐसी ही चीज़ें हम बता सकते हैं जिनका हम एग्जाम्पल या प्रैक्टिकली उनको दिखाए तो वो जल्दी कैचअप करते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, रीड विथ एक्सप्रेशंस. यूजिंग मोनोटोन is no fun and you will lose child's attention while you are reading a book. When you are reading a book, you can use expressions like this is a book and I'll read. Sammy confidently replied, "Hello, son, I'm your father's friend. Is he at home?" "Oh, it is just a dad's friend," thought Sammy. "Dad has gone to the market," said Sammy. In this way, encourage children to participate in that story by asking them question, अभी क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या हो सकता है, like that. Find the ways to make active discussion rather than passive.